This is the video series for VCF entry questions. Here the scenario is we are an architect for an enterprise-based client. The client is requesting that all VCF patches and upgrades must be validated in a development environment before it's being applied to the production VCF instance. Okay. Also, we need to ensure lifecycle operations remains isolated from the production one. Okay. Now, let's look at this diagram to understand how VMware Cloud Foundation supports testing and patches and upgrades before production. At the top, we have a VCF Fleet. The Fleet provides centralized visibility across multiple VCF instances, but it does not perform lifecycle operations itself. Below the Fleet, you can see two separate VCF instances, one for development, one for production. Each VCF instance has its own SDDC Manager. That means each instance independently handles lifecycle management, patching, upgrades, compatibility checks. Now let's start with the development VCF instance on the left side. This environment is used to test VCF patches and upgrades first. Architects, administrators can safely validate new version and they confirm interoperability and identify any issues without impacting production workloads. On the right side, we have production VCF instance because it has a separate SDDC manager. Production upgrades are performed only after successful validation in development. There is no shared lifecycle dependency between the two environments. This design delivers three benefits for us. First is independent patching and upgrade validation. Second, it owns its own upgrade timeline. Then third is any failure or rollback in development cannot affect production. Okay, so administrators still get a single high level view of all environments, okay, using this VCF fleet. So to conclude, deploying separate VCF instances for development and production within the same fleet is the correct architectural choice when testing and development isolations are mandatory as requested by the client here.